Okay, so now we're going to walk through how to pack up the printer. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the filament from the back. Place that. We can remove the power cable. And we can disconnect the filament tube. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to place the orange locking clips up top. So we have the first one goes here. These clips do two things. One, they put the print head in the correct position for the packaging, and two, by securing the print head, we make it secure for travel. Okay. So get this, and we can pick up the machine. Now on the styrofoam, they are marked front and rear. So the rear one, make sure you take the filament holder out. And you're just going to try to tuck the umbilical cord in there gently. Be careful, trying not to pinch it. And then bring in the front one. And then using the loading strap to hold everything together. Using the strap